I've been helping with Craf-Tay-Con behind the scenes for almost a year now. The hoodies that they sponsored for the event, and they're absolutely phenomenal. The material is just everything. Get ready, girls!
What's up, you guys? It's Ty.
And I'm Kai.
I'm Riley. I'm a videographer starting a new production company, and so I was taken along this week to capture the behind the scenes. It's going fantastic. Got yarn, schedules.
Wow.
We've got break.
Go up a little bit. There we go.
Okay.
Yes. Oh yeah, I want to swing it out. Am I coming that high or dance at the car?
Percolator? See? Then you just like jam.
What's the bullion stitch?
The bullion stitch is a stitch that we got to record a lot of times.
That's, nope.
It's
Can't
California. It's okay.
Yeah.
I would like to have everyone's finished projects into my car.
The wife is really aggressive.
Oh, great.
It's going fantastic.
In focus, but we tried.
I'm blaming Kyle, even though I didn't train him properly.
It was my first day on the job, but I got it.
I don't know if there's any feedback that I would give. This week was amazing. It was super awesome being a part of it. Yeah, it was great.
I'm working. I only let you have plain bagels. Now get to work.
How you really feel?
Stop working over there.
I am offended. I got it. I got you, girl.
Practice your stitches, I guess. No shade.
I love it.
That was awesome. That needs to make the cut.
Yeah.